Molweni, sanibonani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a good weekend. So we are still phezulu kwazo ingane zesithembu. We are seeing usisi omdala uSne looking all beautiful and all lavishing, guys. We are seeing her looking all beautiful. We see her video that she released last week with her and her dad nje babonisana ukubana hayi nyani things are getting better, like in this season of ingane zesithembu. I'm seeing ukubana uSne, she is mostly chilled, she's more mature, she's like taking big decisions, even though we are seeing all the drama that has been happening about her being dumped by a boyfriend and the baby thing and she is still chilled, guys. She is so chilled, like she is having less drama. It's like for some reason she decides I've had enough of talking and arguing and fighting about my siblings, because we saw earlier on when Uthando Nestembo started ukubana she even called out Umpilo and sit down with her and they had to discuss ukubana she does not like the way their relationship is between her and her sister Umpilo. But hey, we can see nje ukuthi hayi, we are liking this new Sne, we are loving this Sne Omosha. So everyone is saying, Banhai awusemhle sisi omdala, you are looking beautiful and gorgeous, you are looking all hot and hit. But hi, umjolo umnandi nje, you are much happier, you are much lighter, you are smiling more. We are loving this Sne that came on this season of Ingane Zesithembu. Let me know, what do you guys think about Usne? Do you think Usne has changed for the good behavior, or can you still think Ubana she's the same old Usne that we know that was there on the previous season? But now from my side, I think she has improved very much. I think she's been working on herself also, having that self-improvement of being positive within her life, within herself. Like she's just bringing in like positive energies towards herself. So I guess the universe, it is replying to you, saying if you're calling on positive energy, will come to you. So yeah, I am liking Usne of this season. Owengane Zesithembu. Let me know, what do you think, guys, in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.